This video will walk you through how to open, set, and mount your 5481 Master Lock Wall Mount Lockbox. To open your lockbox, locate the preset combination found on your product packaging. Open the dial cover and enter 0000. Once you have entered the combination, simply pull the lockbox door fully open to add or remove your items from the integrated bin. To lock your lockbox, close the door and turn the dials to scramble the combination. Then snap the dial cover closed. To set your own personal combination, enter the current combination. In this case, it's 0000. Next, locate the reset lever with the arrow and push the lever toward the word set. Turn the dials to your desired combination. Then push the reset lever back to its original position. Your combination is now set. Be sure to record your combination in a safe place. To mount your lockbox to a flat surface, gather the tools you will need, including a pencil or marker, crosshead or Phillips screwdriver, level, drill and drill bit. Anchors and a hammer are also recommended for masonry surfaces. Choose a secure location and position your lockbox on the desired surface. Enter the current combination and open the door. Use your level to verify the lockbox's level. Mark the screw hole positions. Then remove the lockbox and drill the holes. For masonry, install the anchors with a hammer. Then position the lockbox over the holes and insert and tighten the 4 screws. Close the door, scramble the dials to lock it, and snap the dial cover closed. Upgrade how you share access with the Master Lock 5481 Wall Mount Lockbox for everything worth protecting.